Ready to unlock a whole new level of crypto convenience by linking your Telegram wallet to TAPSWAP? Let's dive right in. First, make sure you've already launched the TAPSWAP bot within Telegram. Find the Connect Wallet button, usually located on the main menu or near your profile section. It might look like a button or a text link. Tap it. Now, TAPSWAP will present you with a list of compatible wallet options. This may include wallets like Timekeeper or others directly integrated within Telegram. Choose the wallet you want to connect. In our example, we're choosing Timekeeper. You'll be redirected to your chosen wallet app. A prompt will appear asking you to authorize the connection with TAPSWAP. Carefully review the permissions TAPSWAP is requesting. This is crucial for your security. If everything looks good and you're comfortable with the permissions, tap the Confirm Connection button within your wallet. Some wallets might require you to enter your password or use biometric authentication for confirmation. You will then be redirected back to TAPSWAP. In Telegram, you should now see a confirmation message indicating that your wallet is successfully connected. Your wallet balance and other relevant information may also appear. Congratulations! You're now ready to seamlessly trade, swap, and explore everything TAPSWAP has to offer, all directly from your Telegram app. This integration makes decentralized finance more accessible and efficient than ever before. Enjoy!